So as big as 10 pesos per liter, yung po nga pwedeng ma-shave off sa presyo po ng produktong petrolyo pagka po nasuspindi yung po excise taxes. So malaking bagay po ito, and hopefully within the next 2 weeks ay makapagbenepisyo na po at makinabang na po ang ating po mga kababayan dito po sa intervention po na ito. As soon as the President declares a state of national emergency relating to petroleum prices, we don't have to wait for the 3 months to do an average. So pagka inflated po yung prices, more than $80 per barrel, and there is a declaration of a state of emergency, immediately implementable po ito. We don't have to wait 3 months for this particular suspension of excise taxes to in fact be implemented. Ang pinakamahalagang concern ng ating pong mga kababayan today ay yung pong usapin po ng pagbaba ng presyo ng produktong petrolyo given inflated global prices. So, if it is something that can be undertaken in the soonest time, government will do it, and government is doing it today. So, yung pong usapin naman ho ng revenues, it will come, yung pong hindi naman ho galing sa excise taxes lang ang revenues po ng pamahalaan, meron pa ho itong ibang pagkukunan, and more importantly, yung pong more efficient tax collection is something that we ought to undertake as we move along the process po of suspending excise taxes.